Hey there, ready to switch things up? Let's get you started on the Boldswitch app. First, create your account. Enter your phone number, agree to the terms, enter the OTP sent to you, set your secret PIN. Boom, you're in. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, select Verification. You need to verify a few things to fully set up your account and upgrade it to Tier 2 to remove all transaction limits on your account. First, verify your email address. Then, for security purposes to keep both you and your account safe, verify your BVN, Face ID, home or office address, and your national identification documents. Also, take a selfie for your profile picture. Here are a few tips to ensure a smooth process. For your face verification, follow the on-screen prompts. When the circle appears, give a big friendly smile. Please note, do not hold your ID in your selfie. Instead, upload any of your ID separately. Make sure the address you provide matches the address on the identification document that you uploaded. Be sure to confirm the accepted forms of identification. This includes your national ID, international passport, or driver's license. Also, ensure you're in a well-lit area for your face verification and selfie. Double-check all of your details before you click Verify. And you're in! Feel free to contact our customer service team if you run into any issues. They are always here to help. Download the Boldswitch app today.